blend in.
They all just disappear like that, huh?
Yeah.
Where'd they go? You're a bird? You're a bird?
You know when there's a sparrow learning to fly?
Learning to fly. There's so many bugs here. Let's see the walking guy.
That's easy. Nice one, Daddy. Want me to say something? I can be upside down there. I can be upside down somewhere.
You could be upside down. Oh, you're upside down.
I can be upside down somewhere else.
Amazing.
I did it!
Good job, guy.
Hey, Daddy. You want this a big bread? Hey,
Hold on, I fed the birds here. Always having a very nice time. Doop, 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 doop. Oh, for the birdies? That's very sweet. Which one?
chip, chip,
He's like, I heard there was food here.
chip, chip, chip. You know what the bird did?
Yeah, they're saying, chip, chip. I'm a bird, you're a bird. I'm also a bird. Oh, you got a cracker.
Chip, chip.
Guy, you're pretty good on this balancing thing.
I don't know where I got it.
Wow.
I think I'll be good on the ninja rope.
I don't know.
I think
Let's see the jump, Jesus. Wow.
And even the big, 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 big.
You're a bridge? Oh my goodness.
I couldn't do it.
You did it. You can't do it forever. Yeah. It hurts? Tough. Let's guy. Daisy got hurt. We got to go home.
No, it don't really hurt. It's not the
Hurts or no?
It hurts.
Nice recovery, guy. You could jump, guy. Daisy, you're fine. Wow. Daisy, let's see a jump. Oi, oi. Oh, she got hurt, Daisy. You fell there, huh? We're gonna go home.